Okay, so in this video, we are going to review the book Outsmarting Online Poker Sites by Victor J. And it's a really good book that I would, like to recommend you all. So, let's check out, the description of this book. It's only 20 pages, but I really like the content of the book, and I personally, opened an account on this Winner Poker and Poker Stars and Titan Poker, and couple other sites, and I myself found out, that my account was running good. Okay, initially. So let us see what he's stating. Are you ready to go on a dark underground path of online poker where no poker player has been and win thousands of dollars and getting one up at the poker sites, which have been killing the dreams of so many aspiring poker players? Okay, so welcome a dark world of online poker. Victor J is here to guide you how you could make thousands of dollars from online poker. Let's face it, online poker is you know what. It is time the fishes are empowered to take down the old artists. It is time that the light of Victor shows you a path of profit and getting one up at the poker sites which have been wreaking hell on online poker players. If you are a losing poker player, now is the chance to get one up, get even, beat the sites black and blue. And if you still do not know who I am the author of a dozen poker books since 2010, which were being sold to a very small list of high net worth individuals who were paying me thousands of dollars for my books per copy. So, okay, so it's a very short book, and let me see what is available. Let me read for free. Okay, it's not allowing me. Let me check how I can gain access to the book. Okay, yeah, so this is the preview of the book on Amazon. So you can also search for this book, Outsmarting Online Poker Sites, on Amazon by the author Victor J. And it's a really nice book. That is what I want to tell you. You should be able to make about $1,000 to $2,000 from couple of poker sites, and if you keep on repeating the formula, you can even make something like $8,000 to $9,000 within a month. So I think that's it. In the preview, because it's such a short book, only the first 4 chapters are visible here. How his friend wins $1,500, and then he's revealing secret formula to win thousands of dollars from poker stars, beating iPoker sites black and blue. So basically, what his system is, that you open a new account at poker stars. Any person who has not played poker before, so his records would not be saved in their database of poker sites, so they will assume he's a completely new poker player. And then what happens, three after third fourth deposit, you feel you are suddenly running good or something like that. You play any $5 $10 tournament, you find you are at the top, you finish on the final table, and you make a big score. Okay, so just last night what happened was that I finished in first position at their in their some in the 2750 rupees tournament on the pokerstars.in site, and I won something like $1,500. And previously I also opened account on iPoker and Winner Poker, and there also I was able to win something like 800 to $900. So I would recommend you this book, and do post your comments as to if you have had any success with this, with his formula. So that's it for this.